How to sell on Wix. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically start selling on Wix. So once you guys have logged in, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to see. So click on the top right on create new site, and then that's going to take you over to another page. So once you guys go over to this page, choose Wix, and then after that wait for a few seconds, and then it's gonna take you over to another page. So let's just wait for a few seconds, and now it's gonna ask you why do you want to create this website. So choose online store, click on next, and then after that wait for a few more seconds, and now it's gonna ask you to basically put in a name for your online store. Then click on next once again, and then once you guys click on next once again, it's gonna take you over to another page. And now from over here you guys can add in all the functionalities and plugins that you guys need to basically start your online store, such as pricing plans, events, bookings, and so much more. Then click on next once again, and then after that wait for a few seconds, and now you can either let the Wix ADI create a website for you or create your website with the editor yourself. So I'll click on let Wix ADI create the website for me, and then now let's wait for a few seconds, and now click on skip if you guys don't want to do this right now. Choose your theme style. After that click on next. After that it's going to give you a couple of options for how your homepage is going to look like. So I'll choose one option. I'll click on next once again. Then of course you guys can also add in pages to your website as well. Now let's click on edit website, and now basically your website is ready. So once you guys add in all the features and everything, well then after that you guys can just simply click on publish, and your website is gonna be published. So I'll publish the website right now. So once your website is published, now if you guys were to go to your my sites page on Wix, it's gonna give you that website over here. So now from over here simply click on that website, and then that's gonna take you over to another page. So let's just wait for a few seconds, and now from over here simply click on edit site. So once you guys are over here, click on the left side on where it says my business, and then over here now it's gonna ask you for all the information such as adding in a product, adding in shipping regions, connecting payment methods, and also you guys can basically take care of all your selling needs from over here. So guys, that is how you can get started with selling on Wix. It's very easy, only takes a few moments. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, till next time, goodbye.